K033-4. This is a Kubota K033-4 mini excavator. This is an excellent machine. It looks, runs, and operates pretty close to new. I mean, it's just really been nicely cared for. It's just me out here today, so we're gonna go ahead and hop up here and get it started, and then we'll do a full walk around, check out all the access panels and the engine, then we'll climb up here and operate it. This is a local consignment. The gentleman used it for himself. It has not been construction company owned or operated. Local machine from our Kubota dealer. 3 work lights, 2 on the cab, 1 on the arm. Auxiliary hydraulics in case you want to add an attachment like hydraulic thumb. We do have hydraulic thumbs here available for add-on. This is a really cool feature. It has a 4-way Dozer fill blade on it. Really nice for filling in your trenches or holes after you get done digging. That is the 36-inch excavator bucket there. It does utilize the Kubota quick attach. And these teeth are just like brand new. They're still squared off and everything. Looks excellent. Everything's very tight. We do welcome you to come look it over yourself. You bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. We are open by appointment only. We're happy to meet you out here. We just want to make sure we're here and have the gate unlocked for you. Phone number is 405-833-6437. And if you'd like a hauling quote, getting this machine shipped to you should not be an issue. Just fill out the form on the website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best rate that comes back to us. And we do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or just come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. The tracks are excellent. I didn't see any dents or dings anywhere on it. It does have that diesel Kubota engine. No DEF required. Always a great feature. And of course it has the articulating arm, so you can get right up by a tree or other structure, getting that very hard to reach specific area you need to get to without accidentally bumping into something. So there's your auxiliary hydraulics. And this can be switched underneath the access panel from single flow design for like a jackhammer to a dual flow design for like a hydraulic thumb. That's something that needs to go in and out. Excellent rubber tracks. Excellent glass. Shut this, it takes 2 hands. Really clean, really dry, no leaks, no issues. Go ahead and hop up here in the operator's station and take a look around. Of course, it does have the removable Kubota floor mat in case you take it out and clean it. Storage underneath here. Excellent Kubota seat in it, suspension, travel pedals. This just flips up to give you access to your articulating arm valve. You can just push that back and forth to make the arm go left or right. Now, before we get up in here, this is your pattern control valve selection. So it's currently an excavator control, but if you want to go down to backhoe, you just pull that pin out. And when it goes back in, you're in backhoe control. Go back to SEO or excavator, you just pull it up and go back to there. just excellent. Everything looks great. $13.41 hours. This is going to be your auxiliary hydraulic control for your blade. This just comes up, and then you use the thumb to operate the four-way, third and fourth function, which is left and right. Cold working AC, hot and heat, throttle, auto idle down button, emergency stop button, work lights. I'm going to turn those off so I don't forget to later. I'm just going to go ahead and operate it for you here for a moment. Give it a little throttle. We're completely throttled down. And of course, it's going to be much happier running at a higher rate. Excellent power. Lifting this up off the ground. Go ahead and flip these pedals out so I can show you how it turns well. No problem. Now for the articulating arm, like I said, you flip that one out, go to the right. So just to help you get in the exact right spot if you're working next to a building or other structure. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope the video was beneficial to you. Like I said earlier, you can see all the photos and specs on the website. That's K033-4.com. Also, feel free to call to schedule an appointment or to get a home quote. Thanks for watching.